Hi, let's say that we have to draw this mechanical part as simple as possible. And then let's consider that the dimensions are in millimeters. Without wasting any time, we go there on new, and then we go metric, standard millimeter, and then we go create. So in here, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go for the hexagon. Okay. So there we go. Okay. And then the second one. So I want the dimension from the to here to be 100 millimeters. So that needs to be 100 millimeter. Okay. And from the to the, that need to be 87 millimeters. So that needs to be 87 millimeters. So once that is done, so what we go is we're gonna go for the holes. So the first one, then this again, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. Right. And then we want this dimension, that's one to be 16 millimeters. So that needs to be 16 millimeters. And I want this one to be 16 as well, and this to be 16, that one to be 16, this one to be 16. So that needs to be equal to that one. So once that is done, I'm gonna go for my circle. So my first and my third, that's one they need to be that need to be 80 millimeters, sorry, 70 millimeters. So that needs to be 70 millimeters, and this one needs to be 45 millimeter. That one needs to be 45 millimeters. So once that is done, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna have to delete this. So I want to delete that one, delete this one, delete that one, delete that, delete that, delete that. And here I go on 3D model, then I go extrude. So now here I want this to be extruded, okay, by 12, let's go this way, by 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters. So that needs to go by 12 millimeters. All right, 12 millimeters. And then I come here, I say sketch visibility on. What's the visibility? Visibility on, and then I extrude again from the up to the by 82 millimeters. So 82 millimeters. That's done. Then I come here, I say visibility removed. So visibility removed. So that is done. And then here I want to have this corner here smoothen. Let's say it need to have a radius of 10 millimeters. That's one. This and that. Come on, you too. And then yeah, and this one 10 millimeter fillet. So 10 millimeter fillets. So there we go. You can see. So that was simple and quick. So and then the next thing that you have to do is to choose the material. So this one needs to have a material, let's say stainless steel. Let's just put stainless steel, right? Because stainless steel is beautiful. There you go. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can see it's simple and beautiful. That was quick. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. And then for now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.